what mystery awaits? The Sunbeam Highway, the tale of Una and Ellise, the betrayal. In every home, an epic drama plays out. Ellise the cat, a majestic hunter, had her target locked. A glorious green parrot, her destiny. Una only saw a potential friend from the sky, a playmate. And just like that, the bird was gone. But her mission was foiled by Una, the dog. Ellise turned. The look said it all. This was not just a mistake. This was the betrayal. What should their next adventure be? Comment below.